We see the Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amwakohene to Eltri. Or what can same be? Amana no akwa kama media so TikTok has fun din juma. Na say chiremwa Ashanti Regional Minister kwa busa o to Galamsey den. E wo Kumase e ne mpatemu ama amanfo abe exposing. Me man tribunal akere wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Me so say ni demo. Over like his video no other man subscribe button so na back like notification con latest update na be chele wadwen de ama me e wo comment section. Me so baso no I share for so anya bi ahwe. As you know, last week Wednesday, and His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama, or no, and the Ashanti Regional Minister, and John Dumelo, Agriculture Minister, Omuko PMO, Ewo Kumase, that is Ashanti Region, na Ehono, and Omuko Lanche, and this is for one of their flagship policies, which is the Nkoko nketenkete program. It is a production-driven policy. And watching Anna Poyando, oh yeah, you might want to meet TV. Or back criticizing the credibility of this policy.
Because seminar you be Akoko did not buy a day long cruise and a big boom where the nearby there. What I said, Bob, just any Akoko no, the Buanca Sabe FM.
Bob, nobody grew long cruise. Bob,
yes,
wasn't Kuko long cruise when I buy.
Hey, no one who Kumasia. Taka Kasi Kumasia, nay, and I am Ketwa. And Kukwaka Mode or Mopa Kumasa Guano, Land Cruisers, or you win a Mode Edo Esso more Bequia. And now Kumasi traffic. And I mean the idea about the as in Koko. President in Kokaba, if you know, a Baba Kawas. Hey, and one Land Cruiser here. And Kupa na do Grandpa, or call Lanche. Ambulance to cry Jimmy Panko Crano, or the land cruiser do send a coy. The cofa, great machine by ya, you maintain more quine at the Adinapa, the land cruiser do send a coy, and Kukaka, Mode Baha, Mujaya Sumna, quick. Yes, the regional minister cried Jibia Kubu, ne residencia, regional minister, few. What you want to do, Rawa, and Kukoi, the star, you pass.
Paul. Hello, Paul. Paul, what you make? Hello, Paul Yando. Oh, I'm saying Paul Yando, Paul, what you make? Well, you for Paul, see, I say, one day, what you say, idea. Oh, Paul, what you make? Well, Paul, just say, one of the watch. Paul, what you make? Now, what just say, V8 bar, Kruma, I say, now, Nkoko Negum.
What do I then?
Was it V8 bar, Kruma, now, Nkoko Negum?
No one, now, Nikumasi.
And no other move, Massy, but say, a young Nkoko Negu, a V8 in Mana.
No, if one Nkoko no Debai. And the president by Land Cruiser, and too many more, and then them Krum, quick, yeah, somewhere, and Nkoko want them no Bekai. And by some Nkoko, I know when you back one more. I remember it as a Sadiaka resident.
And almost say, Omude, Baba Mount Crawford, one more episode going to say a poultry farming.
I did my poultry farming. I see a Nkoko, you bet Kebia Milena, send your Baya Broja, the Benabia area.
Oh, W. Poor. Almost on my time, I got a for Brunia.
Almost Nkoko 5 weeks. I mean, it's a palatin, a different amount of Kodona, Yadi more to the Moko, Aka more Motina, December 24th, Yatima Modia. That no more catches a coconut 5 weeks. That way, What you say near to me, the Dibroja. And to me, a president and a bell and say, Womo Endra, Waba, a land cruiser, and near their dead, a baya, we Bakuma or Hine Bakua or the Senua. We a minister standing in our a residence here. We were called minister now Nkoko minister residence. And who bet my Nkoko? Training then on the officer or on Nkoko. Me Nkoko won't say, take Nadia Kukoyano. Ade, Tanya. Nanka mu pesa mu ye Nkoko nanka mamu ye nyina ye nya Nkoko hu training na nebe street with the 5 meter ene Nkoko hu nsam kwa ni esua ti wo di Nkoko ba no mamia bi nim se ne mesi aye no wo ti kwa no ma hu bi o pa kire wo ye pepe no ma hu se ne oye na se mi ma hu Nkoko no hu nye nsam nyina wo di mi nim wo hwe na di Nkoko no mamia o nko hu nka mi se wo di ka se ye akwa
Paul say Nkoko na ye de ma no se wo mpa wo nko register ana
o pe na ka ban de ba no me theater aban de ba no me ko jibi atema na okay bi aban de ba de ye nyina be kwa jibi se ne ye aban ye kwan a ye nyina ye fa to bi no da so na aban ne se na ni to ade hu na wo wi asim nyina ye se ye be nye Nkoko de a ye nyina be kwa jibi na ya nye ba ya me kan se wo se nka wo ye training bi a e fa Nkoko ho ne nyina sua Nkoko ho sun ne nsani Akoko ni ti ho me ne wo ye bibia wo de minim Akoko ho nsam bia o ja ke ene de e ba me
okay
ena me so mekwa akodibi so
o mekwa akodibi
Nkoko mekwa akodibi na manya
okay very well but Paul ye
ese na Paul yando e kan ye no ana Dr. Frank Amakwene obey TikTok minister as usual social media minister I say o check the Facebook poster like who said as a last born so who said how Dr. Frank Amakwene esi carrying home on social media spaces as a last born beer I feel that the Jumedi be a sentence as a last born as a last born sometimes you some of his posts here I love Missile I love Missile as a last born I could not be afraid that the Jumedi be a sentence out wo who the oil no or the you as a last born. The last time we saw actually sister me pacho me to go that minister cried there some good idea and as if the I'll grow up as a last born what I say but you know he's so fortunate in a way say there be a make to me say me tina say na me hwe NDC amemu na omubu na omu do mani ase asante memu e pese omo be make vote bi e wa Ashanti region go one say other regions no have voter region Tamale northern region any other regions no they don't need any development all they need is NDC flag asa NDC flag asa when they get NDC flag they will vote they don't care whether there's development or not they will vote ejima hunu omu hu sa de no omu do na be si Ashanti me go Ashanti for this one development omu ntoma to me in my opinion, I feel say they have pumped enough money, big money, to the Ashanti regional minister to ensure development. I was Ashanti because enya sa Argentina, there were 16 regions and Ghana Hanamo. Argentina in NDC, it is only the Ashanti regional minister who is the most performing regional minister. Argentina, it is only the Ashanti regional minister who is the most performing regional minister among all the regional ministers appointed by NDC. Adentia. To me, in my natural knowledge, I feel say they have pumped money for that regional minister to ensure development. I was Ashanti. Said but yeah, Obetimi diverted the mind and the heart of Ashanti people to vote for NDC. That is the tactics. This is just the tactics. Bibia nka ho onye adwuma suru bia na oye no hono tactics na ani. Onye adwuma suru bia tactics na ani. This is just the tactics. Now, that's what James Amino can say, you know. And I found some poor yando ever kind, and Nkoko nketenkete no. TikTok minister ever alive, ever TikTok. Na a honor, and obe kind in same way.
We are Modo Mani, I'd see Nkoko nketenkete sui. And Jebia opens on one Nkoko tongue question that Kumo to create your pictures, your mother media, and say, Mumana Mumeo, President Mahama Nkoko nketenkete na uno. And for a minimum. minimum pa minimum ntia busuafo ma wo say MBB ndi o ma no asi President Mahama Nkoko nketenkete no so a watch out. This is the next jandam omde beba. So omwa beba e de Nkoko videos about be gugu ho mo he Nkoko nketenkete na wu gugu ha no omba be yes ade no. Yenumo na atena kuro ye mu a menim na tena ha nyini ye menim de mutimi ye ne de muntimi nyina. Ghana for Nyankopon charge. There is a new media, there is a new opportunity. Said the bear kabima men kabinu betimi adipin. And they you hear your phone and no camera, no crane wo. Obia wo gem wani bibia no so. E keeping the details. The progress of Mwano, they will be able to update the public. Said the bear and they mini anum you ko no mo akoto omunko ko nom kukunkum omu a omunko twitwa omu vom megu media no so fa me dandam say Mama President Mahama Nkoko nketenkete na wu no.
No ka say we na media say we are TikTokers for aso we say hey regional minister. Oh say it's a Ghana job of AD animu na o ma ke come adwen at the TikTok regional minister.
Now take a look at this video.
Maybe your mamente warning. We ya omode omani adsi akoko nketenkete sui. Enche bia obenso mo abekwa koto nkoko ahye da kun omo twetwe etwa omo pictures omo ba media no so say mumra na mo o President Mahama Nkoko nketenkete na awu no enkofo minimum pa minimum ntia busuafo ma wo say MBB ndi o ma no asi President Mahama Nkoko nketenkete no so a watch out. This is the next jandam omde beba. So omwa beba e de Nkoko videos about be gugu ho mo he Nkoko nketenkete na awu gugu ha no omba be yes ade no yenumo na atena kuro ye mu a menim na tena ha nyini ye menim de mutimi ye ne de muntimi nyina.
Dr. Frank Amwakohene, one of the youngest ministers, and I've always been proud of his nominations and his ministerial because I loved the fact that he's young. But doctor, please save yourself from this disgrace. Yeah, help yourself. You need to earn yourself some reputation. Avoid this blogging and this TikToking. I mean, stop that. But I want to make something clear to Doctor and to the NDC. The NPP has always been ahead of you in terms of ideas, in terms of intellect. And John Dramani Mahama himself came out to say that NPP is full of intellectuals and the NDC is full of ordinary people who cannot think far, who cannot have ideas, ordinary people who have short memory. We know your party and we know our party. And so I want to make it clear that the NPP on any day does not need the NDC to fail to win power. We always have superior ideas, and so on any day we'll beat you to it. But this speaks to the mindset of the NDC. This exposes the mindset of the NDC. You know how criminals are always watching their back, thinking that somebody's going to see them, somebody's going to catch them. That is what the NDC is doing right now. What is this jandam for? You should come and advertise to Ghanaian people how well you have shaped the Nkoko nketenkete such that it cannot fail. Come and advertise it to us. Come and tell we the young people that this is how you have designed the policy such that all of us can take part in it. That is what you should be doing by now. This is early days for the government. You are just setting up your policies. You are trying to attract people. You are trying to help the Ghanaian people. You should be advertising your policies. Now I want to make it clear to you. Just as the NPP had nothing to do with the fleeing of the Guinea fowl to Burkina Faso, we are going to have nothing to do with this your useless policy of Nkoko nketenkete. Just come and prove to the grassroots, your party's grassroots, how you have designed it such that it will not fail. In any case, you cannot gaslight us if you did not prepare this well. You cannot kind of gaslight the Ghanaian people and insult us in our faces and tell us that okay, we should just forget of the fact that the NDC repeated the same thing as the Guinea fowl case without preparing it well, without doing it well, just because of propaganda and for the optics. They came and said they have learned something on Nkoko nketenkete, but they did nothing. They have pumped no money. They are not doing anything with it. And so if it fails, due to their incompetence, due to their lack of planning, it is NPP because NPP is sabotaging them. Are we serious in this country? And this is what a regional minister, this is what the minister is seriously doing, blogging.
Maybe your mamente warning. We ya omode omani adsi akoko nketenkete sui. Enche bia obenso mo abekwa koto nkoko ahye da kun omo twetwe etwa omo pictures omo ba media no so say mumra na mo o President Mahama Nkoko nketenkete na awu no enkofo minimum pa minimum.
time a wodi nim wo mo pa no ene ka de kopɛ kote kɛse aduru enom ye ene ka kote mu ye duru timi di wo yira kenya ni sɛ kote aye se Penyah wadwene sha wadwene no kote nyina size aye pa wo yire wo ye bon tu na nso oni kote ye da kwasi ampanyina abegyina ho bekeka nkwasi asem ade na ye nkokɔ nketenkete no makɔ lunch na wo akra regional minister wo ye doctor mu a wo kan nkokɔ nketenkete policy wo katrema abutu nti wutimi de wano kan nkwasi asem wi se ho ahwani nkokɔ nketenkete katrema abutu nti ka jimi sem akatrema ni hu se jimi sem na eka na nkokɔ nketenkete no John Mahama de ba se wo de ba na ye nkra nkokɔ biem enti no de ba na mo ho adwom Ghana ho enu ti no so ode ba eti se yeyi a ye be hu se ye nkra nkokɔ biem se ye be nya nkokɔ awe a efo Ghana wo bia nkra nkokɔ mfra burukyire ma Ghana biem ene be me ye hu nya MPP fo on bekɔ akɔfa nkokɔ se wo mawuo ana wo mu ye na nya DC fo on bekɔ akɔtwa se nkokɔ no wo mu na gu ha bebre no nya no na hu hia wo se ye nkra nkokɔ ebiem ti wo brɛ mo nkokɔ nketenkete ne ya nkra nkokɔ biem nti enim se a cha se 6 months time de e wo se nkokɔ ye kra free burukyire ba Ghana etwam ni ewe nkokɔ na John Mahama so akɔfa aba ne ketrema butu yi wo ketrema abutuo wo kote ketekete wo ketrema butu wadwene sha na be ma ne kote aye dot tutu ya wo sei se minim MPP for pa hu time ade hwehwe wo mo pa hu wo mo no na ade kɔ pa adro ye wo kote a nke ye kese ko na Julius Debra enkyere wo adro no ya ne kote a ho no eda na ha mu asia to mu dem wagimi jimi na wo ketrema aso tran
Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amakwihini said, why not what in the warning? MPP for Muye ni ya NDC for Kamani Mubanyam. Policy bia na sense bia NDC for Modi Bebabia. You don't put measures in place. Mom fan your man to akwamu. You just bring it up without planning. Sana muye ya na no ya shuri sankola we mo muko wuye. Military recruitment process mu. I'm going to project ya mudibaye. I'm going to and then I'm going to campaign sa mama winning elections ya mubaye. From January ni na am lunch sa November imu na mubabe lunch. November ya mubabe lunch going to munim say PSC ana. Northern region a PSC shashan manu ni na awosa. A PSC. Afa na mubabe lunch project no beka say my embe chinkoko engugu omonka say ndisi for monko nketenkete ni na ewu. Meaning say one kasa already who perception be say nketenkete project na modi aba no enye ye nkuko ni be wuwu but my mekasa mboa because after certain we sa season dry season ene ye de ye nkuko nketenkete no mesra mo mfa ma sire mu ho because mo ni nyina bewu epesi asia no mo be ya ma ni nyina ba bewu awi amama mekasa nti MPP before na mo mfa plans ntu akwan mu mo ya ya pe na mo anya ya de na mo say Ghana ska kwaya mo fa so ma confirm ntu ko Burkina no eno na masasa asie no se me de minim de nti aya Ghana for to abama NDC for mo sune se mo hu se obi anu no
na se awusia abra ye bobo hu no na on the other side so no Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amakwihini no he's fingered in Galamsey activity.
Near back it in some Okano.
We have ministers doing Galamsey.
Into what evidence?
Penyah, and I make us say, will be a fire. I see media, no my crowd, some of the evidence.
And no, may pen, and I may pen, and no, na may pen, minia. And so, yeah.
Penyah, we don't. In Kasakeke, me no kase your grounds. Yenim every minister who is into Galamsey, every CEO who is into Galamsey, every MMDC who is into Galamsey.
And see, what I want you to do for me,
every constituency chairman who is into Galamsey.
What I want you to do for me, just give me just 2 ministers, unim so moye Galamsey. Mo abayo was ministers me no so moye Galamsey.
All right.
Okay.
Mene Okata says the Ashanti Regional Minister is into Galamsey.
Ashanti Regional Minister?
Yes, is into Galamsey. The Eastern Regional Minister is into Galamsey.
Okay.
The Western Regional Minister is into Galamsey. Yes. And he said, Naim will say, they are very interested in fighting Galamsey. Then these are the things. These are the folks. The President Mahama said when he was coming to power,
The president told us that Nkurana Omoya Galamsey Ninye Nkura was a jailiomo. Name the serious Galamsey kingpins Nakasa or they are politicians. The president said it.
Enti, I wonder, one abo mudin, especially Asante regional minister, appointed say, oh yeah, Galamsey no, a big blue. Enti, I know, say you have evidence to support the okay. But for like 2 mumame, ya ka Galamsey na, ya kama nakao. Ewe MPP bass no, omu.
Ubet ma chere wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media. Accra.